Welcome to Bybit Answers. Thank you so much for joining me, joining us, because with me today, I have Hao Yang. And Hao is going to be talking through me, hopefully very patiently and very kindly, through some of the questions I have on options trading. And I hope this can be as much of use to you as I'm sure it will be for me. And welcome, Hao. Thank you so much for taking this time to talk to us.
So hi, Andre. Hi, I'm happy to be here. And anything about options you might want to ask, I'm happy to answer it.
Tell me a little bit about yourself, man. What can I expect when I meet the man, the myth, the legend?
I joined Bybit quite recently, actually in the last year in December, and then I'll be starting to help Bybit to build up our options platform.
So why did Bybit launch options?
We are the only one, like one of the few ones that offers a full suite of derivative products covering from futures, perpetuals, and options. You cannot find a more complete product offerings anywhere else. The options complements our current product offerings, and we believe there are a big upside in this options market because currently there's very small volumes being traded in the entire crypto spaces. So the other exchanges, they are not able to build such sophisticated product offerings. And Bybit would be the only place, or one of the few only places that you can trade all the derivatives, popular derivative products at this stage.
Of course, there are many exchanges, especially in this growing market of crypto. And there are other exchanges with crypto options trading. Why should I choose Bybit?
The product offerings on other platform is not linear. So that means when you trade a Bitcoin option, you have to use Bitcoin as margin. And the prices of an option is in Bitcoin terms. So when the Bitcoin drops in value, so does your option premium drops also in value. That's one of the more complicated things that the products on other platforms. But here at Bybit, we're offering stablecoin-margined options. So basically means all your options trading will be settled in stablecoins, USDC. Trading with stablecoins, it's much, much easier to calculate your risks because everything is calculated in USD terms, right? That's much easier than when you're trying to do risk control in Bitcoin terms. On the other thing, we're also offering portfolio margin. So portfolio margin means when you have risk offsetting positions, for example, you buy a call option and you sell another call option, you pay basically less margin. We have that enabled on our platform, and our bar of entry, like the capital required to enable portfolio margin, is basically non-existent. It's very, very low. So at Bybit, our liquidity is one of the best. When you trade with Bybit, the slippage or the money you lose when trading against the market was very, very low. Like our best price offerings on our products is only $0.5. Comparing to, Bitcoin is trading at 30,000. But the best bid and best ask on our platform is only 0.5. That's very, very liquid. And our platform is basically never down. That's due to our technical setups. We have basically parallel systems running at the same time. When one accident happens in one machine, and then we just automatically switch to another. So our platform is ensured to be never have any downtime.
As someone who with zero knowledge, could you maybe walk me through the platform a little bit? Maybe show me how it works. I think that would be really helpful.
So let me show you how to access our options trading web page. So this is our options trading interface. What you can observe is here you have all your positions listed and the initial margin, maintenance margin, and those are the options Greeks. The options Greeks are used to evaluate your riskness. For example, delta means how much your options portfolio will move up when the underlying moves up. So 0.29 delta means when Bitcoin moves up $1, your entire portfolio will move up in $0.29. And here is the options trading order book. On the left side are the calls, and on the right side are the puts. And in the middle are the strike prices. And what you see here is the 3rd of June is the expiry date. So all these options will be expiring on the 3rd of June. And here is the exact time until when it will expire. When you want to buy an option, you just click the strike level and call or put that you want to buy or sell. Just click it, and then on the right side, the order panel will pop up, and you will be able to interact here and set your orders. For example, if you want to buy a option that expires in the 3rd of June with a strike price of 33,000 and it's a call option, then you just set up the price you want to buy. For example, the best offering here is $140, and if you want to buy one Bitcoin that gives you the right to buy a Bitcoin at 33,000 at the end of 3rd of June, then you can just input the price and the quantity you want to buy and place order. And then your position will pop up here. So I just brought a option that expires in 2 days, and the strike price is 33,000. I brought a call. That's how you buy an option. Okay, that's how easy it is to operate on our options trading platform.
How exactly will Bybit help me to become a better options trader?
Okay, well, first thing, you can always ask me questions on my Twitter. And you can also join our trading communities on Telegram as well. I'll post the link here at the bottom of the screen. And you can also check our Bybit blogs and Bybit Learn pages. We'll be rolling out a options educational materials and post it on our Bybit blogs that will basically help you from a beginner to a options trading pro. The educational content will be quite extensive and comprehensive.
So what does the future hold for Bybit?
We want to provide the best trading experience, the best trading products, the most complete offerings on all the platforms. So options and non-linear derivatives is one of our endeavor to complete our product line. And we aim to be the best crypto trading platform in the future as well. That's my final notes.
That's your final thought. So it's safe to say that this year is bringing a lot of new products, a lot of new interesting things, and it's a good year to well, either get more involved or get involved.
Yeah, like we'll be bringing trading to another level. So it's basically next level trading with Bybit.
All right, everybody, that is a wrap on this episode of Bybit Answers. I want to thank you so much, Hal, for taking the time to talk to me, for taking the patience to kindly explain all of that to me. I'm sure I'll have plenty more questions, but I know now where to find you. I thank you to everybody who's watching this. I hope this was as helpful for you as it was for me. And we'll be sure to see you guys soon for another episode of Bybit Answers. Take care.